Ooh, the wig is kind of crooked. Why y'all ain't tell me my wig was crooked? I thought we was friends, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good, y'all. Y'all wanna know why? Because last night I went out. And I got my groove back. Stella got her groove back. So today I have a unit. I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it. I wanted to do a second day wear update video because basically I went out last night. You know, I was trying to get my groove on, get my Stella back. And I wore a unit that I have not reviewed yet. So the unit that I'm talking about is this beauty right here. Zaniya, I think that's her name, Zaniya. I don't know, girl. You got it. Zaniya, Zaza. All right, Zaniya. So I wore this unit last night. Normally, I don't wear wigs out that I don't review. So I was like, let me come on this camera real quick and show y'all what this wig is about. And this wig is definitely a look. I'm just going to go ahead and talk about the unit and kind of show you what's going on. So this unit right here, this is a Sensational Empress lace wig. Okay, she has a lace front edge and she just has a lace part. The color I have is 1B. She's 100% premium fiber. You can curl her 350 to 400 degrees. She does come in various colors, a lot of nice specialty colors. I think this 1B30, this color right here might be really pretty. But she comes in all these nice specialty colors right here. So I got the 1B. So let's just go ahead and talk about her. So this is what she's looking like. I already wore her, so I don't have the lace on there. But she just came with this lace part in the middle. And she came with the lace at the top that I did have to cut off. It was very simple, guys. It wasn't hard to cut her off. The lace that I cut off was this. I saved it. I saved the lace for y'all. This is the lace that I did cut off because I just wanted to show you guys the little bit of lace that it came with because it was very simple. But that's where my mind is. Like, I'm going out and I'm like, you know what? Let me save this for my babes out there and let them know. So I'm going to go ahead and put her on. I put on my wig grip that has like this lace part instead of my regular wig grip because I think it makes a difference with these lace parts. So she does come with these nice, big, beautiful curls, guys, okay? These curls right here are life. Like, I was given all kind of looks last night. But the issue is, by the end of the night, look at her. She is a little bit tangly, okay? She's not as beautiful as I took her out the pack yesterday, which is okay. It's okay. You got synthetic units. That's the way it works sometimes. But I wanted to show you guys kind of what I do to maintain my synthetic units when they do start tangling. So all you do is, like I said, I cut that off and I put her on. Okay, so I put her on. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know if I was reminiscing about how great my night was last night, or if the wig just brought back memories. It brought me back to life. It brought me back to ooh. So as you see, this wig is a little tangly. I can't really run my fingers through her. Yes, if I would have did an unboxing with y'all yesterday, I probably could have. But I've already worn her for a day. So what do? So I always talk about my wig spray. Guys, get any spray or anything to maintain her. But I like this wig spray. And what I do normally before I wrap them up is I spray it like that. And then I also use some type of serum. I have my BioSilk. You can use any serum. I actually have some Okie Doke serum that I use also. I can't find it. I got some clearance serum at Sally's. But I just put a little dab of that serum in my hand. And I've done this before on camera with you guys. But this is what I do normally after I come home and the wig is all tangled. So I just run my fingers through it like that, and we just brush her out. I like the brushes that kind of look like this for my wigs because it's a little bit better than I think those like paddle brushes, but do what works for you. Please do what works for you. I'm just telling you what I do. Look at that. Look how that serum and that spray, all of a sudden I'm able to just run my fingers through it. So this is what I do to maintain my wigs, guys, after I wear it. I come home, I brush her out, I'll put my spray on, my serum, whatever I need to do, and then I wrap her up and put her in the pack. Depending on which favorite child she is for the week, that's who I'm paying the most attention to. But right now, this one is brand new. She's my baby, so I want to make sure she stays for a while. The teenagers could go in the drawer, or whoever, they could get thrown in the boxes somewhere. But this one, she's new. Let's give her a chance in life, okay? All right, so I want to show you guys what she's looking like. These curls, guys. Woo! Do you see this? Okay, sometimes too with these curls, I just kind of play with the curl and maneuver it also, like the way the curl pattern goes. I mean, I know this is very obvious for some people, but there's some people that don't really know how to do this stuff. So I just really wanted to show you guys. Look how those curls are coming back. Are you seeing that? No, you're not. But that's what's happening right now. I'm just kind of maneuvering it and playing with it, and that's it. So if I wear this unit out again, I will do this and then not touch her for the night. Or I'll walk around with my little brush and kind of brush her. But I wouldn't keep playing in this unit because of the way the fibers are, the way she tangles. But she's cute. She definitely is a look. And you're going to have units like that. You're going to have these under $40 synthetic units that are definitely your look. But, you know, it does take some maintaining. So this is what she's looking like in the front. And in the back, she's really long, guys. Like, she comes down, I want to say, to like the top of my butt. She's a really easy look. She's a real easy look. I don't feel like curling my hair. Boom, put your wig on. That's what you do. She does feel comfortable. She is coming all the way down. She is big head friendly. She's a little snug, but I think that will loosen up over time. I like the fact that my edges are coming all the way down. Can you put her up? She's kind of dense, y'all. So she kind of pretty much is your picture wig. This is your picture wig. With this lace part in the middle, I would recommend, ooh, the wig is kind of crooked. Why y'all ain't tell me my wig was crooked? I thought we was friends, guys. So with this right here, like again, I say it all the time. I'm pretty sure you know. Some people don't. You got to keep that in mind. Some people are coming to this channel. Welcome, newbies. And they don't know this stuff. So go in with a little bit of powder in the middle. And that part just comes to life, guys. That part just comes to life. And she is just like bam, bam, bam. Okay? So she definitely is a look. She's a look. She's a look. So you're going to have these units that you're purchasing, and you got to kind of put a little bit of extra love into them. You know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, let me know how you're feeling about my new baby. And until next time, beauties, I will talk to you later. Bye.